Good morning, students. Let's continue our exercise 11.2 of chapter number 11, Perimeter and Area. In this exercise, we will learn some problems related to area of triangles and area of parallelogram. Here, it is given to you area of an isosceles triangle is 48 centimeters square. Now, isosceles triangle means a triangle having two sides are equal known as isosceles triangle. Suppose it is triangle A, B, C. Isosceles, it means its two sides are equal. Suppose AB and AC sides are equal. Now area is given to you. Area of triangle is given to you 48 centimeters square. If the altitude corresponding to the base of triangle is 8 centimeter. Now altitude means from vertex A, it makes a 90-degree angle to the base BC and it divides BC into two equal parts. That means AD is altitude and length of altitude is given to you 8 centimeter. Now you have to find out the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter, what do you mean the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides of this figure. That means AB plus BC plus CA is the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Now, AD is given to you 8 centimeter. Area of triangle is given to you 48 centimeters square. Now what is the formula for finding the area of triangle is 1 by 2 multiply by base. What is base? In this triangle here we are considering BC as the base of the triangle and height of this triangle is AD. AD altitude from A to BC. So base is BC and altitude is AD. Area of triangle is given to you 48 centimeters square. Now 1 by 2 multiply BC multiply AD is also given to you 8 centimeter is equals to 48. Now you have to find out the value of BC. BC is equals to 48 multiply by 2 divided by 8. Here 8 6 are 48, 6 2 are 12 centimeter. Now BC is 12 centimeter. Here altitude AD divides the BC into two equal parts. That means BD is equals to DC which is equals to half of BC, that is equals to 12 by 2 is 6 centimeter. That means length of BD is 6 centimeter, length of DC is 6 centimeter. Now you have to find out the length of AB and AC. Here it is altitude, that means it draws a 90-degree angle. So it is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle we know the base and perpendicular. So we can find out the hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem. Here AB square that is equals to BD square plus AD whole square. Now BD is 6 centimeter, AD is 8 centimeter. AB square can be found out by using the Pythagoras theorem. Here BD is 6 centimeter and AD is 8 centimeter. So hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. 6 square is 36. 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. Now AB that is equals to under root 100 that is equals to 10 centimeter. Now AB is 10 centimeter. It is given to you triangle is isosceles triangle. So AB and AC two sides are equal. AB and AC both are equal to 10 centimeter. BC is 12 centimeter. So we can find out the perimeter of the triangle. Now perimeter of triangle is AB plus BC plus CA. Now AB is 10 centimeter. BC is 12 centimeter. CA is 10 centimeter. 10 plus 12, 22 plus 10, 32. Here 32 centimeter is the perimeter of the triangle ABC. In this way you can solve questions related to area of triangles. Let's continue. Next question. In this question, perimeter of parallelogram shaped land is 96 meter. That means in this question, figure is given to you parallelogram. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So in this diagram, AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Now perimeter is also given to you. Perimeter of parallelogram is given to you 96 meter and area is given to you 270 meter square. Perimeter of parallelogram is 96 meter and area of parallelogram is 270 meter square. It is given to you. If one of the sides of this parallelogram is 18 meter, suppose AB is the one of the side of the parallelogram and its length is given to you 18 meter. You have to find out the length of the other sides. That means you have to find out the length of BC, length of CD and length of AD. You have to find out the length of other sides. Also find the length of the altitude L and M. Here L is the altitude from B to the side AD. Here M is the altitude to the side AB. You have to find out the length of these altitudes also. Now, perimeter of parallelogram is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. We know that perimeter is the sum of all sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. That is equals to 96 meter. Perimeter is given to you 96 meter. Now AB and CD both are equal. If AB is 18 centimeter, then CD is also 18 centimeter. Here AB is 18 centimeter, BC and AD both are equal. So we can put DA is equals to BC. CD is 18 centimeter as ABCD is parallelogram and length of AB and CD both are equal. Suppose this is equation number 1. It is equal to 96 from equation 1. Now 18 plus 18 is 36 plus twice of BC. 1 BC plus 2 BC. It is 2 BC that is equal to 96. 2 BC is equal to 96 minus 36 that is equal to 60. 2 BC that is equals to 96 minus 36 that is equals to 60. Now BC is equals to 60 divided by 2 that is equals to 30 centimeter. 30 meter. Here unit is given to you in terms of meter. So BC is 30 meter. Here BC is 30 meter. 96 here, 96 minus 36, it is 60. So BC is equal to 60 divided by 2, that is 30 meter. Here we are finding the all sides. AB is 18 centimeter. Now we find all four sides. AB is 18 centimeter meter. BC is 30 meter. CD is 18 meter and DA is 30 meter. In this way, we can find the all sides of the parallelogram. Now, you also find out the length of the altitudes. Now, you have to find out the length of the altitudes. Here, L is the altitude from B to the side AD. We know that area of parallelogram is base into corresponding height. If we consider the AD is the base of the parallelogram, then B, suppose it is BF, then BF is the height of this parallelogram. Now, area of parallelogram is given to you 270 meters square. Area is given to you 270 meters square. Here, if we are considering BF as the altitude, then area is equals to base AD multiplied by base AD multiplied by corresponding height. What is the height of the base AD? BF. That is equals to 270. Here AD is 30 meter. BF is M. That is equals to 270. M is equals to 270 divided by 30. It is cancel out. Now altitude M is 9 meter. In the similar way, we can find out the length of the another altitude, that is M. Here DE is the altitude on side AB. So we can another take area is 270 meter. If we take AB as a base of the parallelogram, then DE is the altitude of this parallelogram. AB is given to you 18 meter. DE is M, that is equals to 270. Now M is equal, here it is L. Now M is equals to 270 divided by 18. 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 0, 2 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Here M is 15 meter. In this way, we can find the length of the altitude L and length of the altitude M. Here, if we take AD as a base of this parallelogram, then height is BF. If we take AB as a base of this parallelogram, then altitude of this base is DE. In this way, area of parallelogram is base multiplied by corresponding height. In this way, you can solve questions related to area of triangle and area of the parallelogram. Thank you.